Hey everyone, so how to use Umax app for free by inviting friends. So Umax app allows you to use one scan for free if you just invite 3 friends. So seems like this is kind of a nice offer, but is it feasible? Is it possible? So yeah, if you just go and tap begin scan, that's where you do it. So because here you just need to upload 3 selfies. In 10 out of 10 feature, you need to invite more selfies. Here, just tap begin scan, and then just for example, I will show you what the process looks like. If you wanted to try out, get like a free scan. Here, I will just do like a placeholder images. And then when you do that, you will have button in the bottom which just says invite 3 friends. So that's where you just need to share this invite code and then invite 3 friends to unlock results. So then just tap share, and then you will have like your email, and then you can just check out this app and like send this via Snapchat, via Messenger, via WhatsApp to your friends. And then your friends just need to use this code to to get like a free scan. So that's just what you need to send to your friends. And then when your friends, they just need to create an account from the beginning. So when they create a completely new account in Umax app, they will see the field to enter the code. That's the one place where to enter this code. And when you think you already invited 3 friends, you just need to tap redeem, and then it will just says check in referrals. And if it checks that you really invited 3 friends, it will start the scan automatically. If not, then you need again like to invite people and just double check that your friends really entered their correct invite code in correct place and everything worked out. So I was able to do it once. So people used my code, I don't know, either from YouTube videos or somehow, and when I tapped redeem, I was able to generate a free scan once. I wasn't on a pro subscription, so it was really possible for me to get a free scan. But then after that, it kind of stopped working. I don't know whether people not using my code, or you can try to use this code, by the way. But yeah, basically that's just what happened. And a lot of users write in the comments, in the reviews, that actually like this kind of doesn't work. That even if you invite 3 friends and tap redeem button, it's just keeps loading, and you can't get a free scan. So I don't know what's happened. Like it works for me once, I can confirm that, but then it kind of is glitching. So I'm not sure what's happening, but yeah, let's just monitor.